How to debug code using AI. It has never been this easier to debug and find the bug in the code. With the help of OpenAI's ChatGPT, you can easily debug any kind of code that you want. So to quickly get started, let's head over to the website of OpenAI. In the search bar, search for openai.com. After you do that, you'll land on its official website. Now from here, you simply need to scroll down and click on ChatGPT. Again, scroll down from here and click on Try ChatGPT. In the chat section down below, you can simply paste in the code that needs to be debugged. For this video, I'm going to use a simple code just like this, and you can hit enter on your keyboard. Before you hit enter, make sure you add in a line such as debug the code, and here you can see it exactly shows you what the bug is in this code. Whether the code may be easy or difficult, you can paste it in and this AI will debug the code instantly.